Dear students, welcome to this exciting science lesson on motion and types of motion. Today we will learn how and why objects move and the different types of movements we see in our everyday life. I am your teacher, Mrs. Teja, and I am happy to guide you through these fun topics. Let's get started. What is motion? Motion means movement. Any object is said to be in motion when it changes its positions over time. For example, when you ride your bicycle from your house to the park, your position is changing. That means you are in motion. Even the hands of a clock, a flying bird, or a rolling ball are all examples of things in motion. Without motion, everything will just stay still. Types of motion. Motion can happen in different ways. Scientists divide motion mainly into two types. The first one is called linear motion, which means moving in a straight line. The second type is non-linear motion, which means movement that does not follow a straight path. We will learn more about each type in the next slide.
Linear motion. Linear motion is movement in a straight line. Two types: uniform linear motion, non uniform linear motion.
Linear motion. Let's start with linear motions. This type of motions happens when an object moves along a straight line. For example, a train moving on straight tracks or a car on a straight road. But there are two special kinds of linear motion. One is called uniform linear motion and the other is non-uniform linear motion. Let's understand what this means. Uniform linear motion. In this motion, an object moves in a straight line and covers the same distance in the same amount of time. Let's say a car moves 10 kilometers every 30 minutes, then again moves 10 kilometers in the next 30 minutes. It keeps moving evenly without speeding up or slowing down. That's called uniform motion. It's smooth and steady. Non-uniform linear motion. In this motion, the object still moves in a straight line, but the speed changes. It may go fast at one time and slow at another. So it covers different distance in equal time. A good example is a car stop in traffic. It may stop and go, sometimes moving fast, sometimes slow. That's non-uniform motions. It is not steady. Non-linear motion. Now let's talk about this. This is when an object moves in a path that is not straight. It could go in a circle, curve, or even randomly in all directions. Non-linear motion includes different kinds of movements like oscillatory motions, periodic motions, and random motions. These are all very interesting and we will look at each one now. Oscillatory motion. Oscillatory motion is a back and forth motions around a fixed point. Imagine a swing in a park. When you push it, it goes forward and then comes back. That is oscillatory motion. Another example is the movement of a pendulum in a clock. It always returns to its central positions, and repeats the same path again and again. Periodic motion. In this motion that repeats itself at regular time intervals. For example, the hands of a clock go around in circles and repeat the same motion every 12 hours. The earth going around the sun is also a periodic motion. It happens again and again in the same way every year. These motions help us measure time. Random motions. In these motions that doesn't follow any fixed path or directions. The object just moves around without a pattern. Think about a fly buzzing in your room. It goes up, down, left, right, and changes direction all the time. That is random motion. It is unpredictable and different each time you look at it. Speed. Let's learn something more. When something is in motion, we can also ask how fast is it moving? That's called speed. Speed is calculated using the formula. Speed equals distance divided by time. For example, if a car travels 100 kilometers in 2 hours, we divide 100 by 2 and we get a speed of 50 kilometers per hour. Speed helps us compare which object is moving faster or slower. Thank you. Great job, everyone. Today you learn about motion and its different types, linear and non-linear, and also learn about speed. Motion is all around us from running animals to moving planets. So keep watching how things move, ask questions, and enjoy exploring the world of science. See you in the next class.